My name is Paige. I'm an operations manager for a manufacturing company, and I've been there about 20 years, and I'm married and I have 3 grown sons and a couple grandkids. I'd gone to the eye doctor for double vision. I thought it was my contacts or something like that, and they sent me to the ER to rule out a stroke. I had a mild stroke several years ago. I've had a former experience at a different hospital, and it wasn't so good. The MRI experience reminds me of being in a coffin. I'm already very claustrophobic. The cage is right here. It's dark. And I thought, okay, well, I just want to open my eyes. I could do anything for 40 minutes. No. The minute I rolled in there, I opened my eyes. So I had pretty much a panic attack and got out. That's always been in the back of my mind, that obviously can happen again. I got in the car and I called Tammy, and I cried pretty much the whole way there until Tammy talked me down off the ledge and said, "It's fine, you're fine."
The day she called me and she was crying, very upset, I had to just get her to calm down and say, wait, what are you talking about? I said, go on and I'll meet you there. The question about claustrophobia, she said yes. I was like, okay. 30-year relationship. She never let on to the extent of it, but I saw it firsthand for that first MRI to be sedated. I thought, holy cow, Paige, I had no idea.
You don't want to have a panic attack in public, in front of anyone, and you don't really want anyone to know that you can't do it, or that you don't, that you feel that way.
This was in March, and we had just purchased the 2 Free.Maxes, and we're just installing them. I thought, man, I've got something for you. That's why we did this.
Paige the sensor?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm Haiti.
Nice to
I'm
meet
going
you.
to be doing your MRI.
And I said, the next MRI you need to have, I really want you to go try this Free.Max out. I'm hoping that'll be a much better experience for you.
When I first walked in to see the machine, I couldn't tell the difference. I didn't think it was going to be any different. But once you're in it, it is wider. There is more room. And so it really does make a difference. There's streaming behind you, there's music. It does take your mind off of it. There's a mirror that you can see out, which I thought was brilliant, because you can see out, you can see more, so that you're not so fixated on that everything is just so close to you and so right in your face.
Such a different experience.
I don't have to be medicated to do it. Is huge, because you don't really want to be medicated.
Yeah, I'm very claustrophobic myself, so we'll go over all that.
I appreciate that.
Any questions?
No. I've always had good experiences at Northside. They clearly do hire people that care.
It was an amazing relief to see her come out of that smiling, kind of little stride in her step, walking back to the room to change out of her scrubs, and it's the greatest gift in the world. If I can give her anything, that would be that.
You always pull me out of my comfort zone. You've always taken care of me too.
Yeah, well, same here.
And I appreciate that.
We're the only ones in the state that have 2 of these units. People come from all over to come have this done, and they have no other opportunity to do it anywhere.
So you absolutely want to go to Northside, and if you are claustrophobic like me, do the Free.Max machine. I know I will have to do it again at some point, and it's not nearly the big bad monster in the closet anymore.
Why are we here? Sometimes you have to say, guys, why are you in healthcare? Why are we in healthcare? We're servants, and that is the true legacy that we want to leave.